All right, guys, I'm gonna do the recap for today. Good morning, everybody. I had a really nice day. AMC was the trade of the day for me. It was really solid and nice. I was watching it. AMC has been in play. It was in play back in Monday, like 20th, or Tuesday. Yesterday we had a really nice trade on it, and today was active. I was watching it. I was a really big fan of AMC because it was really setting off in the pre-markets, and it wasn't really gapping up or down much. And what I noticed was a really nice 5-minute engulfing crack. So a 5-minute engulfing crack, a bullish engulfing, and it turned out to be very bullish. Then the volume really picked up on it, and then I decided to take it to the long side as a 5-minute open range breakup. So, are you serious? Sorry, some technical difficulties. Anyways, I don't have this thing. But anyways, so yeah, 5-minute opening range breakup. But the key point was the volume was picking up, jumping long at 40 all the way up to 41.60, and then it dropped here, and I took it to the short side. It turned out to be a really nice short. I took it to the short side. Some hotkey mistakes, got long and short a little bit, but eventually I'm still actually short here at 39.23. So what happened here was at 39.23. So what happened was I took it to the short side for the breakoff low of the day, and let's take a 1-minute chart. Covered some at 39.60, which is a level. Popped back up. I got a stopped out, and then it dropped. I went back short again at 39.60, and I'm still short in there. Covered some, added more. Brian, 38.61 is a level that I had on a daily chart, and I'm still short in there, and I hope that we can crack this 38.61 level. This 38.61 level is not a Fibonacci or pivot level. It's my level that I found from back in June 8th. So that's a level that I have from June 8th. I think it's gonna really slowly breaking this one out. So that's why I'm holding a 5,000 shares here. If you can see the breakout of 38.61 level. So that was the trading for me. Another trade that I did was Visa, which really didn't. I'm not really good at trading these lower prices stocks, lower prices stocks and lower float stocks. This one has a 40 million shares float, so it was really trading below the VWAP, but it was a strong on the news. So I was kind of long bias on it. At the opened up, and the pullback I went long at 5, sold some at 550, added some more here at 523, went up all the way up to 580. I added some more, and I got stopped out, not at the break even. I just got stopped out because I really didn't like the fact that it didn't break out. And then it came back up, long 580 to 6, pop a little bit, not much. And then I really missed the whole move all the way up to 7, went back up again at 680 for the break of 7, and I got stopped out. And I actually gave some of the profit back here. It was just a bad entry, and really didn't get a follow through on that. That was pretty much it for me. I mean, AMC was the best trade, overall. I just had the best trades on AMC, both on the long side and short side. Visa a little bit, NVIDIA not much, and then this one AMC was on a different account that I kind of messed up my hotkeys. So I'm now holding a little bit of this AMC, see if we can go break that level. If not, we'll just get stopped out at the break even. So Brian, how was your trade? What did you do?
Good. I think the one trade that I can talk about is Las Vegas Sands. So it took a short at the open.
LVS, Las Vegas Sands.
Yeah. I got traded it a few times. Once the big sell-off, then got out of it, can't pop back up. Yeah, it's been really choppy, but I managed to catch a few good short plays on it. So that was one I was watching at the open. It was gapping down, and just played it for a rising devil trade. Nice. And other than that, I played Visa and with you, and I did manage to get some money out of that one. They had a limit order set at 7.
I couldn't get out. So at 675, 680 popped up to above 7. I sold some, but I still had some position that it dumped on me. And that's a problem with these lower prices stocks. And I tell that many times in the chat room that these low price stocks are a little bit tough to trade. Even if their float is 40-50 million shares float, they're a little bit hard to trade because they're big players in them. These big whales, they control the price and they have buying power. They can't do it on a stock that is $40-50 because they don't have that much buying power, but you know, they have enough for just dumping a 1 million share on you. And it's just the breakouts are usually not really clean. Sometimes it is, but you know, I have a lot of difficulty trading them. So AMC, yeah, is really holding my level, not towards level. And Brian and I had a argument about if it's a short or not, and it turned out to be that I am still a better trader because my level is holding down to the penny. So if you are watching this recap and you like me more than Thor, like, comment, or subscribe.
Or me. Ooh, Clove.
And yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So it's Thursday. See you tomorrow. We have mentorship session. I don't think we have mentorship session today by Thor because Thor did a LASIK on his eyes, so he probably is in pain for the next couple of days. I've done LASIK a few years ago, so I know it's really painful, especially the first day. Oh my God, it's so painful. You just cry. But I'll have my mentorship session in half an hour. So see you guys, and yeah, see you tomorrow morning in the chat room, guys. Thanks and cheers.